In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Shopify store. Logging into your Shopify store is an essential step for any store owner. Whether you're managing orders, customer information, or updating the look of your site, it all starts with accessing your account. Let's get started by walking through this straightforward process to ensure you can access your Shopify store quickly and with ease. First, we'll need to navigate over to Shopify's official website. Open up your web browser and type in shopify.com. This is your digital home base for all things related to your Shopify store. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice various options available, but right now our focus is on accessing your store, so direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Yes, that's the location where you'll see the login button. When you locate it, simply click on it. This will take you to the login page, where you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Now, it's essential that you remember how you initially set up your Shopify account. Did you sign up using an email and password, or did you perhaps use your Google account? If you signed up with a Google account, you're in luck because there's an even simpler path ahead. On the login page, look for the option that says Login with Google and click on it. This step is specifically designed to streamline your access, leveraging the credentials you already use for your Google services. Not only does this make signing in quicker, but it also helps keep your numerous online credentials more manageable. By selecting this option, you will be redirected to a new page, prompting you to choose your Google account. Here, all you need to do is find your account from the list presented to you. If you have multiple Google accounts, don't worry, you'll see each and every one associated with this browser. Take your time to ensure you select the correct account associated with your Shopify store. Once you've made your selection, simply click on the account and the process will continue seamlessly. After selecting your account, Shopify will work its magic, redirecting you back to your store, indicating a successful login. In the event that you encounter any prompts asking for additional confirmation, don't be alarmed. This could be part of the enhanced security measures Shopify uses to keep your store and its data safe. Follow any on-screen instructions such as verifying your identity or entering a two-factor authentication code if prompted. Once logged in, congratulations, you've successfully accessed your Shopify store. Now you're ready to engage with your store's dashboard. This is where all the action takes place. Whether you're diving into sales reports, managing your inventory, or launching marketing campaigns, the possibilities are endless within this centralized hub. If you see any ongoing notifications or updates highlighted in your dashboard, it's a good idea to review them. These updates and alerts often contain valuable information about new Shopify features or important changes to the platform that might affect your store. Remember, security is paramount, so if you're accessing your store from a shared or public device, always remember to log out at the end of your session. You can find the logout option by navigating to the account or profile settings, usually located in the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on it will present you with the option to sign out safely. And that's it, you've mastered the simple yet crucial process of logging into your Shopify store. As straightforward as these steps may seem, getting comfortable with the process ensures that you can access your store anytime you need to make critical business updates. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. If you have any further questions or experience any issues while logging in, feel free to reach out to Shopify's support team or refer to their comprehensive help center for more detailed guidance. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you make the most out of your Shopify experience.